Alright, I got the left side piece here patched in. Got it cut out so it clears my vent louver there. And the next thing I need to do is make a plate that this will bolt to and help hold it in position. One of the things, I don't know if you can tell, it sits at an angle like this compared to the rest of the hood, which sits like that. So what I'm going to do is make a piece, and I'm going to bolt it on there, and I'm going to tack it in place. Then I'll pull this back out, do some welding and fitting. I'm going to make my little patch piece now. Alright, still working on this side over here. I got a little patch piece made. Got it tacked down. I'm getting ready to, I just pulled that nut off. Getting ready to pull this vent back out, and then I'm going to weld it up. I'll hammer it down, kind of roll the edges. You can see where I've slid it. And it does sit at an angle, so I got the main parts tacked. Now I'll just kind of roll it into the rest of it. Alright, both holes are cut. Both places where the back of the vent will bolt down are finished out. And I'm going to trial fit it one last time to see how it fits. I'll flip it over and show you how the back side looks. Alright, here's the underside of the hood. Like I said, these are those pieces I put in to hold the studs in. They pooch out just a hair bit. I did trial fit it on the truck to make sure that no gasket interfered with this. And I'm plenty good. So I'm going to fit it on there one last time, make sure we're good. Alright, one of the other things I decided to do while the hood was off was go ahead and repaint the latch and the bolts to go with it. If I got a good looking hood, I just as well make it look all the way good underneath, since the hood's clear coated and painted underneath too. So put this on and the hood will be 100% done. Alright, there's the final product installed on the truck. I just got through driving it back home from work, and I can definitely notice a big decrease in underhood temperatures when I pop that hood. Before, it would just like melt you when you pop the hood, but it's doing some good. How much it's doing, I don't know, but I'm really happy with the way they turned out. At work, I've gotten a 50-50 review on keep them black or paint them red. I'm going to keep them black. I just like the black better, like a little bit of an offset color on it, so it's going to stay that way. Pop the hood and show you underneath. Alright, here's what it looks like underneath. You can see where I spliced into it. It came out real good. Just a few little sanding marks there. I didn't really go crazy on it, but it looks real good. Real happy with the way everything turned out. Had the underside of the hood painted red and then clear coated. Alright, sorry for the slow update. I've had to wait about 2 weeks to get my hood back from the paint and body. And then I'm working on another car I have, putting an engine in it so I can make some money. So I've been doing that on my evening. Anyways, for anyone that likes this idea and wants to attempt to do it on their own truck, a couple of suggestions I would have is, one, get a hood that's already the right color of your truck. I was kind of scared to cut the good hood up because I thought if I messed it up I can always put it back on, so that's why I went to the junkyard and bought a hood. But by the time it was all said and done, I spent a fortune on paint and body work for just the hood. So you'd be better off buying a hood the right color and in better shape, even spending a little more money, and then hopefully getting your cuts right. The other thing that would make this job easier for someone that doesn't have the abilities to weld in where you mess up on your cuts is to cut all the little locking tabs off of the hood vents, and then when you get done, just panel bond it to the hood, and that way you don't have to worry about making sure everything fits perfect. And if you have a hood the right color, you just glue it on, you're done. The hood vents online cost me like $100 on eBay. They're off of a 2013 Mustang. So if you want to go about that way, that's the way I would. If you want to do it the cheap way, that's what I would suggest. I'm kind of picky. I like things to look like they're factory. They clip in like factory, even though it's 100% not necessary to do on this application. With that being said, thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.